Good evening, friends. This is time for the trade wrap of 8th of January 2020. As we had pointed out last evening, that the Nifty is likely to break on the upside from the range of about 14,000 to about 14,250. So that's exactly how it played out. We gapped up and started to move up. Now, till here, there was no surprise. The surprise was this move, and apparently, there is some MSCI etc. issues which are uh, because of which this last move happened. But that works for us. Let's start with the S&P 500. Meanwhile, let me tell you that we have join button services available: silver, gold, diamond, and platinum. Platinum is the service where you get uh, trading psychology, you get money management, and you get to sit with me for 6.5 hours. And we do intraday calls and we do BTST and index, and everything is done there. So we also have recorded webinars. These join buttons are available on our YouTube channel, and we also have recorded webinar which discusses our techniques, and that is available for 2000 plus GST. WhatsApp on 98710 email ashwani_gujral@yahoo.com, that is ASHWANI underscore GUJRAL at yahoo.com. And also join us on our Facebook community, Ashwani Gujral followers and Ashwani Gujral business page. So we'd love to see you there. Now let's see what the S&P 500 is doing right now. If you see the 5-minute chart, it is broadly flattish. I think it's about 7-8 points higher. But overall, on a daily basis, it continues to move higher. Today, there is a bit of selling from the highest level. On SGX, Nifty, we are again moving higher, and we are at about 14,457. That is about 80 points higher. Now, whether this translates into tomorrow's day or not, that we'll have to see. So now let's discuss on what we did. See, because of this, FII buying slowing down, we had decided we'll do futures trades today. So early morning we gapped up and then we moved sideways. So this is where we bought our futures and we got out somewhere here. And this move happened after that. But interestingly, what happened on Bank Nifty was that Bank Nifty came down and closed lower than the highest point of the day. Now, what I am thinking is that Bank Nifty has held on to 32,000. So this is the sort of box Bank Nifty is making. It is quite likely that Monday we could have the upside this time on Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty, one excursion towards 32,600 is due, and that possibly will happen on Monday. Let's see if that happens. Meanwhile, ITC, after a decline, is trying to climb back. But again, the stock remains range bound for long periods of time. I think it has bottomed out, but is it going to fly from here? That I don't think so. You have Bharti Airtel again on an intraday basis. You are making a box at the 200. If it comes out of this box, you could get upside. These are the 10 largest heavyweights that we tend to discuss daily. Kotak Mahindra Bank showed some life after many days. Let's hope it has gotten out of its slumber. It has corrected to its 20 DMA. It is a good area from where we could bounce back. When Unilever again it picked up by the end of day, again at the 20-day moving average, a good place to buy into levers. ICICI Bank came back by the end. I think again it's had several sideways days and is now getting ready for upside. HDFC Bank has HDFC has consolidated at higher levels. So anytime we get above this zone, you should buy, and you will possibly get targets of about 2700. Okay. We have TCS where the results have been very good. Had a big day today, but I think more could happen here. So it's likely to gap up, so the opportunity won't be there on TCS. But sometimes if TCS has come with good results, the opportunity comes to Infosys. So Infosys could show you better follow through than TCS. HDFC Bank, again, it is sideways. One of these days, it is going to have a large breakout. This is the daily chart. It's holding its 20 fairly well. So my sense is that we should, at some point in the very near future, see a breakout on HDFC Bank also, and particularly if FIIs are coming back. Reliance remains a weak stock. It tried to rally even today. The high was 2028. It closed at 2007. Still, uh, one second. Reliance, the high was 1938 for the day, closed at 1933. A lot of times, it flatters to deceive, and that way it is a choppy stock. Underlying trend is quite weak here. So that way, I think Reliance possibly needs to get past this 1950 zone before it gets some sort of strength. Chasing these big green bars has not really paid off in Reliance. So that should be it for this session. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you with possibly some more videos. We are having our live YouTube live at 5 p.m. Sunday, and Tuesday and Friday Facebook lives will continue. That should be it. Take care, trade well, and have a good weekend.